Manhart's new one-of-a-kind left BMW's plant. The BMW S55 twin-turbocharged 3.0-litre inline-six engine powers the Manhart MH4 GTR. 500 horsepower and 600 Nm, 442 pound-feet, of torque were produced by the 2016 M4 DTM in stock form. The original coupe could accelerate to 62 miles per hour in under 3.8 seconds. Manhart increases the power to 708 horsepower and 980 Nm, 722 pounds-to-foot. By strengthening the turbochargers and installing its turbo performance kit, the tuner extracted the extra horsepower from the engine. In addition, the tuner replaced the intercoolers, charge pipes, and carbon intake. With an ECU remap, Manhart made all the new hardware functional and greatly raised the vehicle's output. The factory carbon ceramic braking system was totally unaltered, hence the coupe's stopping power was not increased. Due to Manhart's addition of a number of pieces, the DTM's exterior is also altered. The M4 has a front spoiler lip made of carbon fiber and side skirt attachments made of carbon, both of which the tuner covered in the gorgeous red and white Marlboro Motorsports livery. A trunk lip spoiler and carbon mirror caps are further embellishments. The back's notable visual characteristics are a huge wing and diffuser, which sit above the four 100mm, 3.9-inch, round tailpipes coated in carbon. The stock lightweight titanium exhaust system has been replaced with a valve-controlled stainless steel system. Moreover, Manhart provides race downpipes devoid of catalytic converters, however these are made for export only. 20-inch concave one wheels wrapped in Michelin rubber complete the one aesthetic offs update, replacing the original's staggered units. The DTM Championship Edition already had a roll cage and Recaro bucket seats inside. Manhart replaced one of the cabin's central air vents with its Oron display. With plenty of comfort amenities including air conditioning, parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, adaptive LED lighting, and navigation, the DTM Championship Edition was well equipped when it was delivered by BMW.